Let's look at the number one problem when it comes to body language for most people in the workplace. The good news, it's not just because people are stupid, it's not because they're sexist pigs, it's not because they're rude people. The number one source of bad body language in the workplace is just being nervous, being uncomfortable. And what happens when people are nervous is we become like little bunny rabbits. We kind of freeze. We stiffen up. So when we're giving a talk, a presentation, meeting with someone, talking one-on-one with a client prospect, delivering a PowerPoint, doing any form of communication with colleagues, customers, clients, prospects, when we're nervous, we stop doing the things we do when we're comfortable, when we're talking. Our hands freeze, our body freezes, our face goes blank, and we just tense up. This gives other people an uncomfortable feeling in their gut about us. If they're feeling uncomfortable about us, that's working against us. It makes them less likely to want to hire us, to buy from us, to work with us, to collaborate with us. So the good news is, for so many of you, it's not about learning some huge new skill sets and memorizing 1,001 do's and don'ts. It really comes down to doing a few things to put you back into a state of being comfortable so that you can project comfort with the people who are around you. If you do that, it solves the vast majority of problems. Not every problem. I mean, you could be too comfortable in your office and you're putting your feet up on your boss's desk and your boss is wildly insulted, or you're doing that at a conference room. So I don't want to suggest that that's the only problem, but for most people, most of the time, it's being nervous, being uncomfortable, and tensing the body up. So we are going to spend a fair amount of time, because we solve this problem, we solve almost all the other problems.